Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best outdoor gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into one of the best choices for compact cooking, the Snow-Peak GigaPower stove. This is the best smallest pellet stove for tiny houses, backpacking, and camping enthusiasts. If you're looking for something lightweight and efficient, this stove will definitely catch your attention. Let's talk about why the Snow-Peak GigaPower stove stands out. This ultralight stove is designed to be compact and portable, making it an ideal companion for your outdoor adventures. It weighs just 2.56 ounces, which means it won't take up much space in your backpack and won't weigh you down. Its design is perfect for anyone looking to minimize their gear while maximizing performance. The stove's foldable arms provide great stability for your cooking pots, offering a steady platform for your meals, no matter how rough the terrain. One of the standout features of the GigaPower stove is its rapid boil capability. With a maximum energy output of 10,000 BTUs, this stove can bring water to a boil in no time. Perfect for quick coffee breaks or preparing freeze-dried meals during your trips. This feature is incredibly useful, especially when you're on a time crunch or just want to get that cup of tea without waiting forever. This stove runs on isobutane, a fuel type known for its efficiency in colder weather, so you won't have to worry about fuel performance dropping when temperatures fall. Its manual ignition means you have more control over the stove's performance and fuel usage, which is crucial for ensuring you don't waste any fuel while cooking your favorite outdoor meals. Not only does the Snow-Peak GigaPower stove deliver on functionality, but it also offers ease of transport. Its foldable arms pack down neatly, and it comes with a carry case to keep everything organized and ready for your next adventure. Whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip or just spending the night in a tiny house, this stove is small enough to fit in the tightest of spaces. Built with high-quality materials like stainless steel, the Snow-Peak GigaPower stove promises durability. The craftsmanship ensures that you can depend on it for years, no matter how many trips you take it on. Snow-Peak, a company with over 60 years of experience in making outdoor gear, has created this stove with the intention of helping adventurers connect with nature in a more efficient and enjoyable way. In summary, the Snow-Peak GigaPower stove is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a lightweight, reliable, and high-performing stove. Its ability to quickly boil water, its sturdy design, and portability make it a top contender in the world of outdoor stoves. If you're looking for a stove that performs without the extra bulk, this is the one for you. Make sure to check out the Snow-Peak GigaPower stove and consider adding it to your camping gear list. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with another review.